What's up everyone, today I will teach you how to make these flashes like rings. Firstly, create a black solid and add CC just to it. Copy my keyframes. Now select both keyframes, ease them and copy graphs. Now create a white solid layer, turn on proportional grid and mask it like me. Now make opacity keyframes, ease keyframes and copy my graphs. Now duplicate it, move it ahead and change position like me. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe. If you need a tutorial on anything, let me know in comments. See you!